Already peeled and prepped my pineapple. I had a few slices for a snack. I prepped my papaya. I took the seeds out. So now all we have to do is chop this up into cubes, pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect, just whatever gets the job done. Everybody has their own way of peeling and slicing things up. This is just my way of getting it done because it's all going to go into the blender anyway. And get as close as I can to that skin. Any pieces like this that are left over, just to take them off. Sometimes I take my knife and just go like that. If there's anything that I feel I could use. Why not just get the banana ready and prepped up too? Not necessary, but hey, it may blend up quicker. Who knows? Let's chop that banana too. Baby kale and baby spinach. Sometimes I buy the power greens and it's a mix of baby kale, spinach, arugula, and some other things. But this will do. Whatever power greens I have, whether it's just spinach alone, kale, or a mixture, that'll do the job. Of course, I have my blender in the freezer, getting nice and chilled. I'm using a whole, fully ripened banana. I'm going to measure my papaya, so about a half cup. If it's a little bit more, that's all right with me. The same for my pineapple. Just going to put that in my measuring cup. I'll do one more. If it's a little bit overflowing, it's just going to be sweeter. My baby spinach and baby kale is going in. For the Greek yogurt, I'm going to use 2/3. We're going to sweeten it up a bit. I have some organic raw cane sugar. This is about a bit more than a tablespoon. Add as much or as little as you like. For smoothies, I never have too much of a sweet tooth, but when I do, I make something like this. And whatever tropical fruits or whatever you consider tropical, this is what I do when I have those type of fruits. Sometimes. I never forget my greens. With the honey and the Greek yogurt, I don't need milk. So I'm just going to use some water to loosen it up a bit and get it to the right smoothie texture that I like, or consistency. I have my favorite smoothie glass chilling in the fridge. Let me give it one last blend. When I want something tropical or something on the sweeter side for a smoothie, this is one of my go-tos. Try it out. You're going to love it. And I'll see you in my next upload. Nothing is better than some leftovers. I'm going to set this aside in the refrigerator for snacking on or whatever else I want to do with it.